Next chapter, neural control and coordination. Two or more organs are coordinated to maintain homeostasis. Coordination is a process through which two or more organs interact and complement their functions each other. When we start exercise, ఒకసారి కనుక మనం విగరస్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మజిల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతున్నాం. విగరస్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆక్సిజన్ ఎక్కువ కావాలి. డిమాండ్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆక్సిజన్ ఎక్కువ కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? హార్ట్ బీట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి. బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక ఫంక్షన్ జరగాలంటే, అంటే మస్కులర్ కాంట్రాక్షన్ జరగాలంటే ఇన్ని ఆర్గాన్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వాలి. ఏమిటి? మజిల్, లంగ్స్, హార్ట్, blood vessel. These organs are coordinate and controlled by nervous system. మళ్ళా మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఆపినప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ మళ్ళా నార్మల్ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చేస్తాయి ఆర్గాన్స్ మొత్తం. అంటే ఈ ఆర్గాన్స్ ని కంట్రోల్ అండ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ చేసేది మొత్తం ఎవరంటే న్యూరల్ సిస్టమ్, నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్. అందుకే నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్ ఏమంటారంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్. నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్. ఎండోక్రైన్ సిస్టమ్ is second integrating system. Circulatory system is third integrating system. Nervous system control and coordinate of the different organs. So, nervous system is first integrating system. Nervous system interact with organs point to point contact. Nervous system innervates to the organs point to point contact. It helps for the quick coordination. Nervous system innervates point to point contact. It helps for the quick coordination of the organs. Endocrine system react with endocrine system control the organs through hormones. Endocrine system control the organs functions through hormones. First, nervous system contains specialized cells called nerve cells. Nerve cells first formed in Nidaria. In Hydra, example Hydra. In Hydra, neurons are apolar neurons. Apolar neurons present in Nidarians are example Hydra. It is simple nervous system. These are simple neurons. Diffused nerve net. Diffused nerve net. Diffused nerve net present in hydra. In porifera, nervous system is absent. Next, complex nervous system present in arthropods. It means insects. Insects has complex nervous system. Brain, ganglia, nervocord is present in insects. Brain, ganglia, nervocord is present in insects. The well-developed nervous system present in invertebrates are cephalopod, squids. In squids, the nervous system is well-developed. Well-developed nervous system present in invertebrates are squids. Next, in humans, in chordates, in humans, well-developed nervous system is present. In humans, well-developed nervous system is present. Nervous system divides into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system is information processing and controlling center. Central nervous system is information processing and controlling center. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves arise from the cranium. Spinal nerves arise from the spinal cord. These nerves are two types: afferent neurons and efferent neurons. Afferent neurons. Afferent neurons transmit information from organs to central nervous system. These are afferent neurons. Efferent neurons receives impulse from central nervous system to organs. Central nervous system to organs. These are efferent neurons. Efferent neurons. Next, peripheral nervous system consists of two divisions. These are somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system transmit impulse from central nervous system to skeletal muscles. Somatic nervous system transmit impulse from central nervous system to skeletal muscles. Autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system transmit impulse from central nervous system to involuntary organs. Involuntary organs and smooth muscles. Smooth muscles. Autonomous nervous system consists of sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system increase the body functions and the parasympathetic nervous system decrease the body functions. Next, visceral nervous system. Visceral nervous system is part of the peripheral nervous system. Visceral nervous system transmit information from the central nervous system to visceral organs. And the visceral organ to central nervous system. Visceral nervous system consists of ganglia, fibers and the plexus. Visceral nervous system consists of ganglia, fibers and plexus. Next, neuron. Neurons are structural and functional units of the nervous system. It consists of three parts: cyton, dendrites and axon. Cyton also called soma, cell body. Cyton also called soma, cell body. Cyton contains cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contains cell organelles and nacelles granules. It also contains, cytoplasm also contains centrally located nucleus. Next, if dendrites are short branches, short many branches, they derived from the outgrowth or projections of the cyton. These transmits towards the cyton. So these are called afferent process. These are called afferent process. Next, axon. Axon is single long branch. It passes information away from the cell body. So these axons are called efferent process. Based on the number of dendrites and axon, these are three types: unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar neurons. Based on the number of dendrites and axons, neurons are three types: unipolar neurons, bipolar neurons, and multipolar neurons. Unipolar neurons, these are present in the embryonic stage. Next, bipolar neurons, these are present in the retina of eye. Embryonic stage, these are bipolar neurons are present in the retina of eye. Multipolar neurons present in the cortex of brain. Cortex part of the brain. Most of the neurons our body consists of, most of the multipolar neurons. Based on the myelin sheath, neurons are two types: myelinated neurons, myelinated and non-myelinated. Myelinated and non-myelinated neurons. Myelinated neurons. Myelin sheath is formed by Schwann cells. Schwann cells around the axons to forms myelin. Which neurons contains myelin sheath? These neurons are called myelinated neurons. Myelin is formed by Schwann cells. The gap between the Schwann cells is called nodes of runways. Unmyelinated neuron or non-myelinated neurons. When axon is surrounded by Schwann cells, but Schwann cells does not produce myelin. Unmyelinated neurons or unmyelinated axons are surrounded by Schwann cells, but these Schwann cells does not produce myelin. So these axons are called unmyelinated axons or unmyelinated neurons. Myelinated neurons present in the cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Unmyelinated neurons present in the somatic nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Somatic nervous system and autonomous nervous system consist of unmyelinated axons or unmyelinated neurons. Next, the terminals of the axon terminals contain synaptic knobs. These are synaptic knobs or pterodendrites. This synaptic knob contains synaptic vesicles. This is synaptic knob. Synaptic knob contains synaptic vesicles. These vesicles stores neurotransmitters. This neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. The ends of the axon is called axon terminals. These axon terminals contain pterodendrites or synaptic knobs. These synaptic knob contains synaptic vesicles. Synaptic vesicles stores neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. This is the introductions of nervous system.